this is how you do that in Shotcut. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how you use that countdown, which might be a good option for a cover reveal, for example. This is one of those things that's a little hidden in Shotcut. First, click on Open and select Clock. Now we can adjust the defaults in the properties. There are quite a few options you can change, such as how long the countdown is. I'd say 5 seconds is more than enough for a YouTube video, but if you're doing some kind of book cover reveal, you might want to stick with the 10. You can count up and down, change what you're counting, have sounds or not, and have a background or not. Removing the background means having a plain white background, not a see-through one. Then drag this item onto the timeline. It's quite difficult to see what the differences are for all of these options, so I'm going to put the different clocks up next to their defaults. Then put them one against the other, so you can see how they look. Next time I'll be talking about another counter default in Shotcut, which you probably have seen but haven't taken much notice of. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.